So hello and welcome to a Film Mixologist. What I'll be doing today is I've done previously a video on the Scintilla Vertex Magneto, this one in particular, and I said that I want to kind of rebuild it and make it live again and all this stuff, which is all good. But in order for me to tackle this unit, which is in relatively, goodish condition, what I need to do is understand and learn, what are the main characteristics of this sort of magnetos. And here's where this unit comes into play. So I bought another junk unit, and so what I'm doing is I'm working on this first. I'm disassembling this unit first so that I can understand what are the processes that I would need to do when I come to fix this one. Yeah, so therefore this video is about all the processes of disassembly of a Magneto in preparation to getting one of them to live again. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to leave some comments and stuff, and this is going to be a long-term project because there's lots of stuff to do with it. Okay, so just a little update here on the, on the Vertex Maggie. Now, as you can see, I managed to price it apart. Obviously, there was a bit of violence involved. That's a lie, it was quite a lot. So basically, this had to come out. I had to kind of completely cut it and drill it out. But that's okay. Things that happen. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Magneto. I'm going to take the Magneto part so I can show you all these components. So let's try and work this stuff out. Okay, it's time for a little update on where we are with the situation with the Magneto, and it took me a while to kind of figure out where all the pieces went, and that's the whole point about this exercise, that I'm getting a Magneto which I never worked on before, and I'm trying to make it work again, and as part of that there is, as with everything, a learning process that goes with it. So let me show you a couple of bits and bobs here that are clearly wrong with this mag. So as you can see here, I started cleaning a little bit this area here, but it turns out that if you turn it over, so this goes like so, if you turn it over and if you look here inside, there's a lot of corrosion in the Magneto. And this is the coil as well, which I think unfortunately I might have kind of smashed out when I took it off, when I separated let's say the body of the Magneto. So now one thing I have to say is that this Magneto, I paid 50 quid for it, so you know, if I gonna get a hammer and start smashing it up, it's on me, because it's my money that is at play here. So, but what I'm doing this with this Magneto before, because I want to learn all the intricacies of how they are built, and how, if it's a better way to take them apart, I need to know all that stuff, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. So what's gonna happen is, in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start cleaning this unit and getting it as clean as I can, ready for the rebuild of the main Magneto. And I think I'm gonna have to start getting a new coil or new coils for this Mag, because this one is not going to live again very well. So I'm gonna have to see you in the next episode.